Near and dear to my heart, the subject of baldness and medical advances about baldness. Only 2 FDA-approved drugs exist for the treatment of male pattern baldness, but a third may have just been found within our own bodies. Amazing. A naturally occurring sugar has already been used to successfully stimulate hair growth in mice, say scientists, and can be applied to a variety of carrier gels inexpensively. So not only does this make hair grow on mice, it's inexpensive and topical. Amazing. This study was published in the journal Frontiers on Pharmacology by scientists from the University of Sheffield and Comsats University, Pakistan. It's amazing. It's wonderful. And from findings from the study show that sugar is as effective as regrowing hair as minoxidil. And I'm sorry, I can't keep a straight face. Minoxidil hardly works at all unless you're unless you're like 30 and you're starting to lose hair, and it might help. If you're 65 and you look like me, minoxidil will do nothing. Nothing. It will do nothing for you. Nothing that's anywhere remotely going to do. But we need a drug that I'm going to take a pill and suddenly I'll have this big head of hair that I had when I was 16, and I'd have a lot of fun with it. I don't care how I look. I think I look fine bald, but it would be so much fun to style hair and use shampoo and blow dry it, right? Use Bro Cream. Do they still have Bro Cream? And then slick it back and have a part on the side. All kinds of amazing things you can do with your hair. And the biggest thing with this, the thing that got me the most excited, is a scientist finally said something positive about sugar. Positive news. Take care.